Hey guys, I wanted to talk about capturing equity on the way into deals. We bought a property over the weekend and it met our rule of 20% equity going in. And so what that means is if you buy a $100,000 house, you want to make $20,000 on the deal going in, meaning that you're going to buy it for 80 and it's going to appraise or be valued in the market at $100,000. So you've got $20,000 of baked in equity in the deal. That makes it so that the deal's a little more advantageous to you and you've got some room to move if the market fluctuates and things like that. So those are ways to protect yourself against a perceived housing crisis or things like that. So we like to go into all of our deals, and this comes from my mentors, and also is just a great rule of thumb for anybody getting into investing, that you'd like to go in with a 20% equity capture on the way into your deal if possible. And some people would say that's a little difficult. The more sophisticated you get at searching for properties and things like that, it's not incredibly hard or impossible by any means. So make sure you bake some equity into your deal so that you are shielded from outside occurrences when the markets fluctuate, right? Because you never know what's going on in the political landscape, financial landscape, anything like that. So have a great day. There's my Tuesday tip for you. Bye.